From time to time, our customers call and explain how their car starts but stalls, and they have some sort of problem. They have a no key icon on the dash or something. Almost every time we find out it was a locksmith that attempted to make a second key and didn't have the proper tool or proper knowledge or whatever it may be, and the immobilizer data inside the cluster is now corrupt. So the car will probably start and stall right away. That tells us it's immobilizer data, and we can't clone it to a replacement because you just will transfer the bad data over and you'll have the same problem. So one option that we do offer is immobilizer delete. That means you take your computer out and send it to us, and we delete the immobilizer function of the computer. So when you get it back, the car won't understand that it needs to go through this process, and it will start and run perfectly. One problem that sometimes pops up is, depending on which car, which cluster, the no key or the key light will turn on. We have a resolution for that. Sometimes we can take the light bulb out, or sometimes the customer doesn't care, whatever it may be. We can do them. We just need you to contact us and give us the VIN number and make sure we can do your particular engine computer. But that's the solution when a locksmith messes up the cluster or makes a new key and messes it up.